Why does your scanner show the P0742 engine code? What does it mean? P0742 is a diagnostic trouble code for torque converter clutch circuit stuck on. This engine code indicates that this means the car's computer PCM has detected a problem with the TCC circuit, specifically that the TCC solenoid is not disengaging as it should. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty TCC solenoid, transmission fluid issues, electrical circuit problems, mechanical problems, valve body issues. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Chevrolet, GMC, and Buick models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.